If you want to delete your itch.io account, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the deletion so you can finish it quickly and safely. Before we begin, if this guide helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once the site loads, log into the account that you want to delete. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile, because once the account is deleted, it can't be easily recovered. After logging in, look at the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This will open your account menu with a few different options. From that menu, click Settings. This is where itch.io keeps your account controls and profile options. Once you're on the settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. The delete option is usually near the end of the page, so take your time and keep scrolling until you see it. When you reach the bottom, click Delete Account. At this point, itch.io will ask you to enter your password as a security check. Type in your password carefully and make sure it's correct. This step is important because it confirms that you're the real account owner and helps prevent accidental deletion. After entering your password, you'll need to confirm the deletion. Read any warning message on the screen so you understand that your account and associated data will be removed. If you're sure you want to continue, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you do that, the process should be completed, and your itch.io account will be scheduled for deletion or removed, depending on the platform's current settings. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your itch.io account. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.